So we are here. I forgot my US USCD card for my camera. I got the camera here with me, but I was editing, so then I cook. So I forgot to put it back in, but the camera there's no thingy. So yeah, the car is ready. The car is okay. That's nothing. Got the car. We got the car. It's done. The service is done. Everything is done. So we going. Hey, Linda. Today we're going to do Nando's. It's been a long time since we did Nando's. Craving for Nando's. Gonna go eat inside Nando's. It's been a long time. So yeah, that's nice. That's a nice picture. Number 80. Okay. Then quite a lot of some point. Do we care about time? It's nearly 25 to 6. Yeah, it is warm, but it's a warm day, but it's very chilly. There's a chill wind outside. Yeah. I just did finished being a pig in actual fact, despite saying and then I fuck oven. Yo. Sana kaloku upheka. We cook from Monday to Monday to Friday. Then Saturday we might not cook. But anyway, today we're gonna have pizza and meat here at home. Yeah, my husband went and we're gonna have a gourmet pizza. There's a uspawe lapha une got that Ndoland that thing the oven gonna la stone what with stone no they've got they have a nicest pizza ever. But anyway, I digress. So we're gonna have pizza today and meat here at home. I'm just chilling here. My son soccer practice as always. Today is Saturday. Every Saturday he goes to practice. Not every Saturday. He goes to practice Monday, Wednesday, Saturday and Saturday. But yeah, on practice today in the morning. Ebene match, but they were match up at home. But I didn't attend because it was at home too, and it was so my it's fine. I'm chilling. I wanted to go somewhere, but I think I'll do that tomorrow. Yeah, yesterday the car went to service. Then we went and fetched it. All of us, we decided to go and fetch it, and then we Ubered, and then got the car. Then we decided, let's go to it's been a minute since we went to now, guys, a flash of gum. Nando's. We had a sit in Nando's. It was lovely. It's the food, the cleanliness, everything. It's been years. It's been years since I've ever been to Nando's. It's been years. Ne? Yeah, it's been years. Yeah. Or was it? I think when we coming, was it before we moved here? We went to East London, and then when we came, no man, it's been years. I'll say it's been years since we had a sit in. No, so we had nice food. It was nice. Then we came back home. So yeah, I can't do ngako, guys. Just wanted to vlog. I decided to vlog and start my vlog. I started my vlog yesterday, but I used my phone because I forgot to put USB on back with camera. When I tried to vlog, there were no, they were USB, so I had to use my phone. But yeah, I can't do ngako, guys. And I did TikTok today. I just, and I did my face. Sometimes like okay, was put me. The jersey, I bought this jersey long time ago. Pick and Pay. If near some kumbulu Cherokee, go Pick and Pay. I bought this jersey. Yes, this is quality. This is quality. I don't know how many years dating an jersey. There are two of them, and in my daughter. So the jersey. Ingathi ngumaXhosa sana, but I bought it kwa Pick and Pay clothing long time ago, maybe 7 years ago, 8 years ago. That was long time. I was still in East London at the time when I bought this. That was long time ago, guys. But anyway, I'm just chilling. I don't know whether I'll have just one glass of wine. I don't know. I'll see. Catch you guys later. Bye. The pizza is here. We have barbecue rib. Let me show you. This is a barbecue rib. And we've got Almazi lo. Hi guys, and welcome to my vlog. Welcome to my vloggy. Today is Sunday, and we came for Sunday thingy. Saying is the way to start the day, especially EBC. We wanted milk and decided to buy ice cream, Pauli's, and then we also went to Clicks to buy some stuff. So now see Emodweni and heading home. Oh! So at Clicks I bought 1, 2. Developing app mode and decided to vlog 2. Guys, and then we bought Dawn for Men, and then I bought 2 of wipes. 1, 2, and then that's it. And then we went to spa. We went for food. We bought food, and then Coke. Already drank Coke, so I'm gonna go home and cook. I've already cooked some. They've already cooked, so I'm gonna cook. I security there's a cloth table. There's a cloth on top of the table mountain. Yeah, like when I say there's a cloth, don't know. That white thing. You know what I mean, guys. Cloud. There's a white cloud that makes that thingy. So yeah. I am back home. So this is what we got from Spa. We got things from Spa. What we bought. And we top up with pears. Got pears for topping up, and then my husband bought me Coke, but in Taylor 200 milliliters, which is fine. It's okay. And we went to Woolies. As you can see, as you saw in Woolies, we bought milk, full cream milk, and then we bought the ice creams, 2 of those. Bought 2 of the ice creams. So Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to my vloggy. Today it's a Monday. Just done cleaning the house. I am tired. I changed the tablecloth and I changed the guys, your cushions, and I clean as per usual. I normally clean on Mondays. Yeah, I clean. I do a spring cleaning on Mondays. Do everything on Mondays. So yeah, I washed the things that I've changed. Now they are drying outside. I'm done cleaning. I think now it's is it past one? Past one, and I'm having Coke. I'm gonna sit down, relax, check my YouTube, watching some people's videos. Then I'm done. I've already washed. I woke up and I washed, and then I make myself some coffee. Um, yeah, I think I'm gonna make myself something to eat. But I'm not craving. I'm craving just for plain toasted bread with butter only. Toasted bread with butter or butter and peanut butter. That's what I'm craving for. And bauli any I don't want anything greasy. I don't want nothing. I'm gonna sit down, relax, reminiscing. So yeah, according on my side, wanted to just and to just vlog today. And today is a beautiful day. It is a nice warm day. But I don't have any I don't have any laundry. Good enough. I think I'm gonna make laundry tomorrow or Wednesday because it's still a coil thing to make. So yeah, just wanted to vlog. I'm done. Yeah, I'm done. I've already prepared for something to eat. Today we're gonna eat something simple: rice, meat, and veggies. That's it. So guys, thank you for watching my vlogs. Thank you for liking. Bye. So guys, it is still the same day. It's the afternoon. I decided to make muffins for lunch boxes tomorrow. So tray of color. It's done. Let me take it out. I hope as well. Then the second six, I added cocoa powder, so that is very chocolate. So the first one, it was vanilla, then I added cocoa powder, so very chocolate. So I'm baking this and that, and I'm making inyama yam apha. It's busy. So yeah, I decided to bake. We decided, well, you know what? Let me bake for them tomorrow so that they can baphathe lunch yabo ingabi sisonka. So yeah, bye. So nazi ke.
There's a ladybug. Oh gosh. A ladybug.
Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon, y'all. Welcome to my vloggy. I should have opening line. Like, if you see this vlog, you know it's Friday. Today's the Thursday, honey, and welcome to my vloggy vlog. Yeah. Okay, I hope I'm not gonna forget this. Okay, I just wanted to do some unboxing. I've got the Amazon packaging, the Woolies one, and then the other Amazon. Oh my God. Oh, you do it, baby. What's up with me and the baby talk? Last night I did my nails. Those are press-on nails. I do it myself. Let's start with this package. Oh, guys. Today it's Thursday. It's a Thursday. I wonder, probably today is a Thursday. Oh wow. I ordered a toothbrush at Amazon. I saw this toothbrush. I wanted to check. I ordered one to see. I wanted to check the quality about engine, and then because they're not expensive. I wanted to check the quality njani. Then yes, I'll buy the rest. And this is the app. Got 3 of those soaps. There's Tanda soap, guys. Smells nice, and it moisturizes your body. The aloe and olives, they're very good for your body, so I like it very well. And then I got myself a Switch energy drink, pink lemonade. Oh, I love pink lemonade. I bought myself 2. They turned a pink lemonade. It's a nice. This is the bottle. I bought myself 2, and then I got in Udon, and then I've got sweets, and then in chicken stock. I did not buy chicken stock. We ran out of the chicken stock, and then I think apa is sepali. Yeah. This is soap. Yep. That's it for Lena. And then I'll do this one. I'm gonna sit down. I'm gonna do this one sitting down somewhere. So currently I'm gonna put those ones inside the cupboard. Catch you guys on few minutes time.
izinto zakhe zoyihanjiswa namanzi ukuthi ngihlangane nalezo kodwa ke bengekho into ebengayisho because
Hi guys, welcome to my vloggy. Welcome to my vlog. It is quarter to Friday. I'm starting my vlog. bending. I need to unbox this. This. Please. My lips are a bit dry. This is a little a bit dry. This is a nice lip thinking. It's a nice lip balm, and it lasts. It is so small, but yet so expensive. But I bought this lip thing while I was in London, while I was in the UK. So I bought the second one, but they gave me this. They gave me the same thing. Country Road. I wanted the grey one. Why did they give me the green? I've got the green. Let me show you. The one that I bought before. The one that I bought before. Oh, but I like it. Oh, so this is the green. I bought this. You're eating in a stain. Hey, yo. Sana, yebona uzofuna uvaswa ke lo. Ine-stain sana ingasaziwa sisukaphi. Apha. I don't know what is the stain for. From the stain is from. I've got this one, and I've got this one. Matchy. Yeah. And then oh, look at this. Look at this. I love this. I love this color. Oh, this is a nice color, and I like the size. I also got another one that I bought, a Country Road. That green one is Country Road, but it's not written Country Road here. It's written Country Road underneath here. I like it. Oh, I love the colors. Oh.
Last week was a busy week. This week's a busy week. Obviously, the 2 days of the practice trip are going to be busy, but I think that's the rest of that week from Wednesday to Sunday
So, Lucy, how was the outing?
It was good. It was good. It was a good outing. We even went to a museum.
What did you get to see at the museum?
Old suits and old like old army stuff
Alright. Cool.
and articles on the walls of the museum. On the walls of the museum.
Articles about what, if you remember what they said?
About the place. The place for war or something.
Did you get to see any live working airplanes?